Hello, my name is Frank Voss, and I'm the president of Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada, or TMMC to our friends. And we absolutely consider Conestoga College a friend. We are honored to be recognized today with this award. Thank you. However, we must admit that our relationship with Conestoga over the years has been very beneficial to us as well. As TMMC has grown and changed over the more than 30 years since our groundbreaking in 1986, we've leaned on Conestoga for help, and they've always been there for us. From recruiting, to skills training, to testing, to fun learning, Conestoga has been a great partner in supporting the wide range of testing and learning needs for our now more than 8,500 team members. And we also participate in the co-op program at the college, benefiting from their high-caliber students. Always adapting, Conestoga recently launched services tailored to newcomers at their expanded facility in Waterloo. And just before COVID-19, Conestoga announced plans to expand their trades training facility and program, both of which we certainly benefit from as an employer in this community. It's not just all about us, though. We've provided some financial support to the college over the years, sponsoring their powwow event each year, investing in the Center for Power Engineering, and more recently, sponsoring the TMMC Language Lab for newcomers. We attribute some of our success to this local, vibrant learning center. We appreciate the opportunity to celebrate Conestoga's success, and we're grateful to receive this award today. On behalf of TMMC, thank you for this recognition. I understand this is the first year for this award, making it even more special that we're selected. Thank you. We look forward to the next 30 years of strong partnering.